Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Today I am going to discuss visualizing solid shape, the last chapter of NCERT and of your course also. Okay, so you know about this solid shape. It means cube, cuboid, cone, etc. You know very well. But in these classes we have to discuss 2D shapes and 3D shapes. What is the difference between 2D shapes and 3D shapes? Okay, so first we discuss 2D shapes. You know about square. Okay, you know about square, you know about a shape known as rectangle. Okay, in these two diagram, square and rectangle, in square all sides are equal, it means length and breadth are equal, it means all the four sides are equal in a square, and in a rectangle opposite sides are equal, it means opposite side. Okay, so this one is called 2D shapes because in these diagrams only 2 and 2 sides are available, length and breadth. Okay, that's why this type of diagram is known as 2D shapes. Okay, so what is the difference between 2D and 3D shapes? So let's discuss. The first 3D shape which I have already taught in mensuration chapter, that is cube. Okay, in a cube you know that all the sides are equal, and you know also in a cube there have length, breadth and height. It means first dimension, second dimension and third dimension. That's why this diagram is known as 3D shapes. Okay, and second one is cuboid. Okay, okay, this one is known as cuboid. In a cuboid you know that L, B and H it is given. So L in a cuboid, L is not equal to B and B is not equal to H, and in a cube L is equal to B and B is equal to H. That's why in a cuboid all the sides are equal, that's why we denoted the side of a cube is A, and a cuboid L is not equal to B and B is not equal to H. But this one is known as 3D shapes. Imagine that you are sitting in a room and room is look like a cube. Okay, and you know that in a cube and cuboid how many faces are there? So count that: roof, floor and these 4 walls. It means there are total 6 faces. Okay, how many vertices? Count that. So 4 corner 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 corner 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 8. It means 8 corner. It means 8 vertices. And how many total sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ऐसे काउंट कीजिए. देखिए ऊपर 4 है, 1, 2, 3, 4, नीचे 4. Okay, and 4 heights. It means 4 plus 4 plus 4. It means 4 plus 4 plus 4. There are total 12 edges in a cube or cuboid. So cube and cuboid are known as 3D shapes, okay, or solid shapes, because only and only we can find volume of 3D shapes. हम 2D shapes का वॉल्यूम नहीं निकाल सकते. इट मीन्स अगर वॉल्यूम फाइंड करने की बात आएगी तो हम सिर्फ 3D shapes का ही वॉल्यूम निकाल सकते हैं, लेकिन 2D shapes का नहीं निकाल सकते. ओके, लेट्स फाइंड आउट अनदर डायग्राम्स. Okay, the next diagram is cylinder. Okay, you know that in a cylinder 2 circular faces are there and 1 height. This height is known as H, and this is circular end radius. Okay, you can also find the volume of this cylinder, and formula you know, volume of cylinder equal to pi r square H. Okay, and total surface area is equal to 2 pi r in the bracket r plus h. But 2 pi r in the bracket r plus h, how you will find? You know that there are 2 circular end, and area of circle is equal to pi r square. There are 2 circular end, so 2 circular end, it means the circle of 2 area means 2 pi r square. Okay, and 1 is height. Okay, so 2 pi r square h. That's why the formula of total surface area is 2 pi r in the bracket r plus h. Okay, अच्छा ऐसे नहीं समझ में आया, आगे देखते हैं. टू सर्कुलर एंड 2 pi r square h and lateral surface area that is known as curved surface area. Okay, because this cylinder is curvy shape. ऐसे हमारा शेप है ना, इसलिए हम इसके लिए वर्ड यूज करेंगे curved surface area, not lateral surface area. And you know that curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r h. Common 2 pi r and r plus h. That's why total surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h, and you get 2 pi r in the bracket r plus h. Okay. Next, you know about right circular cone. Right circular cone means, in right circular cone there have two types of height. First height is known as height of cone and second height is known as slant height. Okay. So let's discuss about cone. A cone has also a circular base. A cone has also a circular base. Cone is look like a cap of a joker. Okay. In a cone there have one circular end. This one is known as radius of the circular end, and this one is height of the cone, and this height is known as slant height. L is represent slant height. Okay. And h is equal to height of the cone, okay, and r is equal to radius. Okay, so this is also the 3D shape, because we can also find the capacity of this cone. In 3D shapes we can find capacity only and only, not in 2D shapes. In 2D shapes we have to find only area, not capacity. It means volume. Okay. Let's discuss another diagram. Sphere. You know that a sphere is look like a circle, but a sphere is not a circle. A sphere is like a ball. Okay. Sphere जो होता है वो अंदर से पूरी तरह से फुलफिल होता है. Sphere is like a football. Okay. And in sphere there is a radius. Okay. And volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay. Volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. What is hemisphere? Okay. Hemisphere means अगर हम इस बॉल को कट कर दे आधा, it means half. सिर्फ हम हाफ की बात करें. This is known as hemisphere. Okay. This one is known as hemisphere. Understood? Hemisphere, cube, cuboid, cone and cylinder. All the figures are 3D shapes, and from the last 8 minutes we are talking about 3D shapes or visualizing solid shape. That's why these are the overview of solid shapes. Okay. And view of 3D shapes such that your home is look like a 3D shapes. Your cricket ball, your football, your glass, okay, that you are using, this marker, this duster, all of these 3D shapes. Okay. So try to do exercise 10.1, 10.2, 10.3. किसी को छोड़ मत देना तुम लोग, और सारे ही करके वापस आना. ओके. So thank you so much everyone. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.